We're here today to launch the Daily Bread Food Bank initiative for the month of November. It's an initiative that is badly needed across Toronto. Lots of people in need. Our passengers, our community can support this initiative. All they have to do is a little tap on the credit card machines here, and that will really help so much and feed people at this time of need coming into the holiday season.
So right now in the city, 1 in 10 are having to make use of the Daily Bread Food Bank, and that's unacceptable. And the people that have said it's unacceptable are those that work at the Billy Bishop Airport. They've said we can do something about that. And together, partnering with the food bank, we're going to make something real positive happen this fall.
Airports are all about community, and we want to be a good neighbor, and it's a really important initiative for us to be a part of the Daily Bread Food Bank and ensure that hunger is minimized in the city of Toronto. And so we're thrilled to be part of this activity and our passengers to be part of this activity through the month of November.
This is a real issue for Toronto, and we're just happy to play our part in helping.